Hey there, folks, it's the weekend. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. And the target is very interesting. All right, I think this is all one thing. Is it? Yeah. All right. Oh, wait. No. Let's use the blank template. We'll use a paragraph tag. I had a question on the video from yesterday from a Firefox user. Like, why does it look different? How come I only get a little line with a rounded line? Firefox works a little bit differently. When I use Nested Template, which is one of the GitHub plugins, it won't work the same in Firefox. That doesn't mean you can't use Firefox, but it does mean that you can't use Nested Template. You can't copy my code exactly and see the same thing. Now, if you submit it to the back end of CSS Battle, it'll work. Because it doesn't care what you're looking at on the screen. It's looking at how it renders it in Chromium. Different deal. Anyway, so let's create this shape. I think what I want to do here is do border, solid, and this dark color. Clunk. I gotta paste. Oh, she's a little slow. Border width is going to be 0 for the top, and then the sides something like 40, and then the bottom like 50. That's how we get kind of that. And I'm going to move this margin to the element. All right, let's push on this guy and actually remove it. We'll remove the background as well. So margin top 10, 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 82 probably. Oh, my machine is a little bit on the slow side. I got a lot of browser windows open, using a lot of memory, so my machine is slow, no good. Let's, so you're not seeing what I'm doing over here, but I'm going to close a whole big window of stuff. Clump. And, sorry about this. Can we be better? Please hold. Okay. Is this better? Is this going to be faster? Heck if I know. All right, let's set the height 30, 40, 40. And then this width is more, 50, 60, 70. And then this width is a little taller, 4, 5, 6. Boom. And then what? Well, let's put this on the body. Radio gradient. 1Q at 50%, 60 pixels. And then the dark color, 30 pixels maybe, and then the light color. That's way too big. And we're going to move that so the app value, and I don't think that's going to be the final way we do that. 100 pixels, yeah, and then 20 pixels, great. And then it's going to be at what, 0, 0. Have a width 100%, and then a height of 120 pixels, 30, 40, 50, 40, 140. So then, when I remove this at value, it's that. And then so if I add a 20 pixels or 10 pixels or 30 or 40 or 35 pixel, oh, that's not right either. Maybe it's 30. Background position, it will repeat correctly. Let's submit and make sure we have a solution. that is matching 100%. To me, it looks good. Yeah, so that's fine. So what did we do here? On the body, we've got this background with the dots, which is repeating on the y-axis twice. If you made that a much lower number and adjusted that number, you get repeating dots, which is pretty cool. But that's the specific number we need. We'll minify using GitHub plugins. Unit replace, I guess we have one unit to be replaced. And that's the score that we'll end up with from the back end. Great, fun. You can tune it more, but that's basically the solution. Hope you're having a good day out there, enjoying your weekend. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Go make a web page.